Hello traders. Today we want to discuss a simple scalping trading method. All right, simple scalping trading method. All right, let's get started. I'm on a 3-minute time frame of the Australian yen currency pair, and I want to buy the Australian yen currency pair at 7858. This is a limit order to buy the Australian dollar yen. All right, so my limit order is placed here above this resistance here, and I want to buy at 7858. 7858. This limit order is not yet filled. It will be filled when the price rises up to 7858. All right, so I'm just waiting for this order to be filled. All right, very simple. All right, so if we go, for instance, let's go to the hourly time frame to investigate what is taking place there. All right, you can see that the stochastic 833 is overbought, but I'm trying to buy when the stochastic is still overbought. Am I crazy? All right, we will see. All right, another thing I want you to see on this chart is that if I go, for instance, now on the hourly time frame, you can see that we have this price action here. Price run fast. This is quite bullish. Okay, it run fast, and then it pull back a bit. All right. Now we see this move gently up here. All right. And now there was this small move down, followed by this move up on the hourly time frame. But now instead of the price going down, the price is consolidating in this zone. All right, it's consolidating in this zone. All right, a consolidation in a triangle is taking place here, and I want to buy at 7858 if the price reaches that level. All right, it makes sense. In my view, the price has a high chance to continue to go up more. Okay, if you pay attention to this move here, look at this. You see, though the price, so it pulled back a bit in this session. All right, now a lot of earlier wave traders will be thinking that this is the end of the fifth wave on this hourly time frame. I disagree. This is just a signal. This is in fact a signal to us that this financial instrument has a high chance to go up more. Because he went above the high of this move, and now instead of going down, all right, he start consolidating here. So if there is a breakout here, we will see another move up very fast. That's what I'm trying to catch here. All right. All right. That's what I'm trying to catch here. This is what we call horizontal triangle. This is an horizontal triangle taking place on the hourly time frame. Okay. So what we usually see is that when you see that a financial instrument went up 1, 2, 3, all right, repeat this. So this is what I want you to understand. When you see a financial instrument went up 1, 2, 3 like this, all right, and then you see an horizontal triangle, there is a high chance that the price may continue to go up. Did you get it? Did you get what I said now? I'm trying to simplify something here. So when we see a financial instrument went up 1, 2, 3, and then we see an horizontal triangle, all right, there's a high chance that we may see a breakout up. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to catch at 7858 to buy it. I'm not yet in this trade. Another thing I want to show you is that when we go on the monthly chart, the financial instrument that we are looking at, the Australian dollar Japanese yen, went up from here in 2009 up to this point here in 2015 or 2014. All right, but now when I apply Fibonacci retracement to this price action, we can see that the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. You can see here 50. Is the orange line on my chart. Is the orange line on my chart. Can you see the orange line? If I change my time frame probably to the daily chart, there's an orange line on my chart. Okay, at 7877. That's the 50% Fibonacci. Okay, retracement of the bullish trend that was in place since 2009 to 2014. All right, so the price pulled back into the zone of 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci extension level. So if I draw another line on my chart, we are now in what we call the sweet spot Fibonacci trading zone. I'm running out of color now, color into blue. So that's the 61.8% Fibonacci extension level. The orange line is the 50% Fibonacci, okay, retracement level. So the price now in what we call the sweet spot Fibonacci trading zone. If you don't know anything about the sweet spot Fibonacci trading zone, I would like to refer you to a video that we posted at Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, Sweet Spot Fibonacci Trading Tips and Tricks. Check it out, that video, all right, at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. All right. All right. So we are in a sweet spot Fibonacci retracement zone. A lot of orders has been placed here to buy this financial instrument because it was going up. Now it pulled back to this zone. So as a scalper, I know that there will be orders there to buy, and I want to take advantage of those orders to buy here. So as a scalper, you can also position yourself in a sweet spot Fibonacci retracement zone, looking for quick and fast scalping trading opportunity. All right, the financial instrument goes up and pull back to the zone of 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, we will, as a scalper, you can position yourself right there, time it carefully, look for scalping opportunity in the sweet spot Fibonacci trading zone, looking for bullish scalping trading opportunity. On the other hand, if a financial instrument goes down and rally up to the sweet spot Fibonacci retracement zone between the 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement levels, you will, as a scalper, you can position yourself in this zone looking for bearish scalping trading opportunities. Isn't it clever a bit, all right? Because we know that orders will be placed there to sell after this bearish move, prior rally up into the sweet spot trading zone. There will be orders there to sell. As a scalper, we are just waiting for clear-cut opportunity to sell in that zone. If it went up before coming to the sweet spot trading zone, we are waiting for, we are looking for bullish scalping trading, opportunities, all right? So this is one of the reasons why I want to look for an opportunity to buy in that zone instead of selling, though the stochastic on the hourly time frame is overbought. And the other reasons that I show you on the hourly time frame is that when we see a financial instrument goes up 1, 2, 3, and we see an horizontal triangle, we want to look for an opportunity to buy at a breakout point above that horizontal triangle. The opposite is also true in a downtrend. If a financial instrument goes down 1, 2, 3, and then we have an horizontal triangle, we will look for an opportunity to sell below the horizontal triangle. All right? So 2 reasons why I'm positioning myself using a limit order to sell the Australian dollar yen. All right? So going back to my 3-minute time frame, my order is still here. It's not yet filled. And I have been talking to you now for 9 minutes. I'll pause the video for the first time and I will come back to it if there is something interesting taking place here. I need to remind traders that this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. But before I pause the video, the time in London is now 35 minutes past 1 p.m. In New York, it's 35 minutes past 8 a.m. on this is a live recording on the 5th of October 2016, talking about simple scalping trading method. Okay, speak to you soon. I'll place my vertical line there at the point where we are pausing the video, and I will come back to it if there is something interesting taking place here. Good news, traders. We are now in this trade because you can see that the price went up and filled my orders here, and now it start going down. What's happening, my friend? I'm going to set my stop loss because we entered the trade at 7858. I will set my stop loss 48. I will set my stop loss 10 pip below right here. 10 pip below at 7858. All right, that will be my stop loss. All right, okay, so my stop loss is this one here. I'm going to color it now into red. I will not move my stop loss. I do move my stop loss sometime, but this time I will not move it. It will stay here where it is. Okay, so it's looking good. It's looking good, and I will go to the, let's see, yes, to the hourly time frame, and I will set my target where do I put my target? Yes, at 7882. All right, I'll set my target at 7882. Bear with me, please. I believe you'll go up more than that, but I will just place it there for now and we'll see how the price will move up. So that's my target at 7882. Very simple and also very powerful. So my entry using limit order was filled at 7858. My stop loss is placed 10 pip below at 7848. My target is set at 7882. Going back to the 3-minute time frame to show you what is happening, you can see that the price tried to come near my stop loss right here, but it couldn't. There were orders here, there were people buying here. So I explained to use very simple scalping trading strategy. We are looking to scalp trade, okay, in the best scalping zone. Where is it? The best scalping zone is the sweet spot Fibonacci trading zone. All right, the level between the 50% and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. So on the monthly chart, as I already showed you, the price it is now in that zone between the 61.8% and the 50% Fibonacci retracement zone on the monthly chart. So we can use that for day trading, all right, and also for swing trading purposes. It's a very active zone. Scalpers, day traders, swing traders, they are all here doing what they want to do. And as a scalper, you can look for stock that pull back, financial instrument, currencies, gold, silver, if it pulls back into the sweet spot zone on any time frame. So do not assume that the financial instrument will definitely go up. So that's why I say to you, check out the video about the sweet spot Fibonacci, okay, trading zone tips and tricks, all right, at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. All right. So this is the first reason why I want to scalp trade this currency pair. The second reason that I will show you is on the hourly time frame. If a financial instrument goes up 1, 2, 3, and then we see an horizontal triangle, there is a high channel. We may see a breakout to the upside. Very simple, but also powerful. All right. So with those setup developing, I went to the 3-minute time frame and I placed my limit order to buy at 7882. 7858. That order is now filled, and I'll set my stop loss at 7848. A greedy target, not greedy as such. All right, that's 24 pips. 24 pips. It's a GSTW 24 trader. Or I'm expecting 24 pips out of this scalp trade very fast. All right. So I'm now in this trade, so it's all set. It's all good so far. So what can we say? We don't want the video to be too long, and we will pause it, okay, for the first time, and we will come back to it if there's something interesting taking place here. All right. As I told you before, this is a live recording. All right, on the 5th of October, 2016, the time in London is 3 minutes past. It's going to be now 4 minutes past 2 p.m. in New York, 4 minutes past 9 a.m. on the 5th of October. All right, so let's pause it for the first time on the 3-minute time frame, and I will come back to it if there's something interesting happening. All right, the green line is my entry, the orange line is my target, the red line here is my stop loss. Pausing the video for the second time after 16 minutes recording. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, just to show you that is working beautifully. It's now back above our entry point after this small pullback here. So it's looking good. It's heading towards our target, which is very, very good. All right, so we will see, okay, how long this will take before we reach our target level at 7882. Looking for 24 pips out of this simple scalping trading method. All right, so let's pause it one more time. All right, and I will come back to it. This is the third time and we are pausing this video, so I will speak to you very shortly. Okay, traders, just to show you what is happening here, you can see that the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, did pause a bit here, and now is heading up a bit, which is good. So we give it more time and see whether you reach the target at 7882. All right. And this is about a simple scalping trading method on a 3-minute time frame. All right. So we just need to be a little bit patient. All right. So our stop loss is here at 7848, entry at 7858, and now it's heading to our target at 7882. The time in London is now 4 minutes past 3 p.m. on the 5th of October 2016. A live recording. The Australian dollar, Japanese yen scalping trade. One more time, I will pause the video, place my vertical line here, and I will come back and show you whether it has hit the target or not, and what is happening here. As always, for live recording, it can take some time because we just need to be patient until, okay, the price does what it wants to do, and that's it. All right. So pausing the video for the fourth time. This is not what I want you to see. Pausing the video for the fourth time after 18 minutes recording. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, working good, working good. As we pause the video here, you can see that the price pulled back a bit. Is still heading to 7882. Take a bit of time though, but we try to be a little bit patient, and I will see what's going to happen. One of the reasons is that a lot of stochastic traders are trying to hold up the price. Anytime the stochastic is overbought, people were trying to sell for no reasons. Otherwise, the price will have gone to the target for a long time, but here it is still overbought. We will see whether they will allow it to go up to the target zone at a 7882. All right, so this is what's happening so far. I'm going to move my arrow back here, and we give it more time, and it's coming close. Very simple and also powerful. A scalping trading method, or live recording to demonstrate this strategy. So In order to trade successfully, we want to find, okay, where people are willing. Okay, you don't want to be the only person scalping. You want to find the best zone for scalping. Is that zone is the sweet spot Fibonacci trading zone. Well, okay, there are other options that we can use, but apart from that, we also use, okay, the structure of the price, right? The price structure, all right. So on the hourly time frame, we see that the price went up 1, 2, 3, as I was showing you before. This is about the structure of the price. Now we see an horizontal triangle. As I was telling you when the price was here. Here it is heading towards the target very fast. High chance that there will be a breakout. One of the reasons also is that a lot of traders that are using Elliott wave, for instance, this zone, all right, you can see they count 1, 2, 3. They think that this is the end of the fifth wave, but no, it's not the end of the fifth wave. This one here. What we are seeing here is an horizontal triangle, which is in fact a fourth wave on the hourly time frame. We are now seeing the fifth wave that is likely to be extended, all right, likely to be extended in this zone. All right, so with that information, with that knowledge, all right, with that understanding of the price structure, okay, how the market is behaving, we go to the 3-minute time frame and we want to take advantage of that. The order was filled at 7858. Stop loss using 10 pip. We want to take 24 pip for 10 pip risk. Has been a bit slow because, I mean, people were scalping wrongly using the stochastic to sell anyhow. And now, hopefully, that limit, that target will be hit very shortly. All right? Okay? I'll wait a bit and see whether it will be filled because all right? I have been talking to you now for 22 minutes. My intention was that within, okay, 15 minutes we'll wrap it up, but here we are. Okay. One more time. This is a live recording. The time in London is now 10 minutes past 4 p.m. on the 5th of October 2016. All right. And I will pause the video one more time because I don't want the video to be too long until it reaches the target zone. Okay, so let's pause it one more time and I'll come back to it if there's something going on here or to show you, okay, what has happened. So speak to you soon. All right, traders, time to wrap it up. The price is now at 7879. It has been a successful trade. And I hope you have learned something for this video also, and we put into use to improve all right, your scalping trading strategies. We were using the sweet spot trading zone, Fibonacci trading zone. When a financial instrument, there is a lot of trading activity in the zone of the 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. All right. And also, we were using the price structure, all right, on the hourly time frame. It was clear to us that on the hourly time frame that the price has a high chance to break out. With those information, we went to the 3-minute time frame and we used a limit order. We did not buy straight away. All right, so in order to control the risk, we use a limit order to buy at 7858. Stop loss at 10 pip below. Because it's a scalping, we want to use a tiny stop loss, 10 pip, 12 pip, 15 pip, sometimes 20 pip, depending on the characteristic of the financial instrument that we are trading. All right, and then we take it from there, give it more time, more chance, and then now it's in the target zone at 7878. All right. We wish you the very best in your scalping, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about simple scalping trading method. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.